Electronics. ATI Electronics is a joint venture between ATI Shenzhen and ATI India, and we are the leading manufacturer of Bluetooth technology over there in ATI Shenzhen, and we supply to all global leading brands including Energy System, Altec Lensing, and now we are planning a big time neckband manufacturing and assembling unit in Bangalore. We do have our power bank assembly unit, as well as we do the national distribution and license business of Philips power bank. Recently we launched Philips IT accessories and we got a very overwhelming response from market. So that's why we planned our another accessories brand in IT accessories called Altec Lensing. And for the Altec Lensing, ATI Shenzhen is having the entire license of power bank, mobile, charger, this kind of power accessories category. And we are also ATI India having license for Altec Lensing IT accessories. See, in few category there is a saturation. If you take OEM category like cable, data cable and charger, so there are a lot of manufacturers doing well and market is more or less saturated. But in neckband you will find hardly only few people just started in neckband category, because from April onwards BIS is applicable in neckband. See, our brand philosophy and everything is focused out of product quality. So we consider product as a first pre and most important pre, and as a sister concern of ATI Shenzhen, we will remain our focus on product quality, and after that everything we will focus on the product quality. At the same time, the people will getting the OEM service from us, they can be rest assured for the quality and they can do their branding part. Their brand will grow with OEM who is focused on product quality. So that is our main focus.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.